Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and today we're going to cover the myth about the dehumidifier killing mold. Stay tuned. Okay, so man, we hear this a lot. Mr. Homeowner, if you install a dehumidifier, it's going to kill all the mold in your crawl space, or it's going to make it go dormant. Well, which is it? Does it kill it or does it make it go dormant? Well, guess what? Nobody knows. Even the microbiologists I've talked to don't know if mold actually goes dormant by putting in a dehumidifier. They say it's possible, but since there's so many different thousands of types of mold out there, they can't really tell which molds will go dormant and which molds won't. But even if a dehumidifier did make mold go dormant, and it certainly does slow the progression or the growth rate of the mold, because if you take the humidity and the moisture out, the mold isn't going to grow as rampant as it would before. But even if it does make it go dormant, just think of a groundhog. When a groundhog hibernates or goes dormant, they're still alive. So would you rather have live mold down there and it be in dormancy waiting for moisture, or would you rather just go ahead and kill it? We're going to leave that up to you, but we call that a myth. If a person tells you that the dehumidifier kills mold, that is a myth. I'm Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.